Hi guys, this is the opening of Huawei MatePad. You can see this is the latest model. Voice control. Now we are opening. This is a tab. There are 4 speakers. 1 is there, 2 is there, and 3 is there, and 4 is there. 4 speakers are there. Now we just open the tab. So these are the features. Today is 21 May, and there is Pital search is there. This is a new option, so you can search and everything here. You will connect the internet later. Just I'll show you the kit first. So this is the data cable is there, and charger. Charger, 3 plug charger are there. Now we are opening the keyboard, just normally like this. It's a keyboard. So now we can put the tab here. And this is how we can use the tab. So now you can use both options, keyboard and tab. Touch is there. So you can use the keyboard as well.